Together, I think it's best to support each other as they pay tribute to Maureen. Gentlemen, I pass the podium over to you.
Well, thank you all for coming. Shouldn't be surprised at the turnout, but thank you. There's no point trying to read everything, so I'll just babble on as long as I can. Yeah, well, I love my sport and I love a challenge, but my goodness, she was a challenge. And you all know that, Gary. We met, 34 years ago, and I'd love to say it's 34 happy years, but you who know the original Maureen, or as I call it the old Maureen, that hasn't even got happened. Somehow, we were chalk and cheese, and somehow we blended together. And the first 2 years were a little bit turbulent, as some of you know, and the rest of you can imagine, but we did manage to sort it out, ourselves out, and somehow the thing that sells us down is our humour. As a sense of humour, we both have a crazy sense of humour. We still got it today, and we've had it all through our lives. There's been wonderful. Any little problems we sort out, laugh at each other, make see them the funny side of it. There's the lovely carers now. Oh, RJ. I mean, they've all been brilliant. And, I don't know, the first 2 years of church, after that we had a fantastic life, we really did. Lived it to the full, we had wonderful holidays, we had wonderful restaurants, and she really enjoyed it, well I did as well. But in the last 5 years it's become, well, I don't know,